Top 5 benefits of a smoothie weight loss diet with smoothie recipe. Smoothies are a low-calorie, high-fiber, and nutrient-dense breakfast choice that can help curb cravings, promote gut health and keep you fuller for longer. They are perfect if you're starting your weight loss journey. Hi viewers, stay tuned to find out why smoothies are good for weight loss and check out our best smoothie recipe for weight loss in this video. Why are smoothies beneficial for weight loss? 1. Makes you feel full. Those who try to lose weight often skip breakfast and eat snacks between meals. Experts recommend drinking smoothies made with the best fruits and flavors to avoid this and help you feel fuller for longer. 2. Aids digestion. Green smoothies rich in green leafy vegetables provide breakfast with essential vitamins and minerals and promote digestion. 3. Detoxifies the body. Garlic, papaya, and beetroot are a few foods that can help purify your blood and remove toxins that accumulate in your body tissues. So, if you want the perfect breakfast, add smoothies as a daily detox drink. 4. Provides a good amount of fiber. These days, disturbed bowels are the most prevalent health issue. A good diet rich in fiber is essential to keep the excretory system under control so that you can lose weight without worrying about your health. Smoothies that contain lots of fruits and vegetables help maintain regular bowel movements. 5. Controls cravings. Smoothies are delicious and packed with nutrients and will give you constant energy. Consuming plenty of protein in smoothies can curb hunger and prevent you from eating junk food. Tips for using smoothies for weight loss. In addition to adding healthy superfoods to your morning smoothie, you can also include the following fat-burning foods for fast weight loss. 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds aid in boosting the satiety of your drinks, reducing hunger cravings and the need for frequent snacks. 2. Almond butter. A recent study found that eating daily 1.5 ounces of almonds, about 2.5 tablespoons of almond butter, reduced cholesterol, belly fat, and waist circumference. Almond butter enhances any post-workout or meal replacement mix thanks to its high protein, fiber, and healthy monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs. 3. Green tea powder. Green tea's potential for weight loss is well recognized. Because green tea powder contains catechins, adding it to your smoothie can help remove fat from your cells. 4. Avocado. Avocados are full of MUFAs, which are linked to belly fat and overall weight loss and help reduce inflammation. One avocado contains about 14 grams of fiber. 5. Cinnamon. People who want to lose weight fast prefer cinnamon over other spices. 6. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the most effective ingredients for weight loss. 7. Beetroots. Beetroot is the best health food because of its high vitamin content, but it also plays a significant part in weight loss. Best smoothie recipe for weight loss. Green smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 apple, chia seeds, 1 tablespoon, half a bunch of spinach or kale, cinnamon, half a teaspoon, almonds, 1 tablespoon, ice cubes, 1 cup of liquid, either water, your favorite milk, or coconut water. Add all ingredients and blend until smooth.